Ever wondered how large transactions in the stock market work? Well, you're about to find out. Let's dive into the fascinating world of block and bulk deals. Block and bulk deals, often carried out by institutional investors, are large transactions involving the buying or selling of a significant number of shares. These deals go beyond the regular trading quantities, offering a unique perspective into the world of large-scale trading. Let's start with block deals. These involve the purchase or sale of a substantial quantity of shares, typically at least 5 lakh shares or a total value of 5 crore rupees, all in a single transaction. These transactions are executed through a separate trading window and are disclosed to the stock exchanges. But here's the catch. To qualify as a block deal, certain conditions must be met. The transaction must involve a minimum of 5 lakh shares or a minimum value of 5 crore rupees, and the price must not deviate more than 1% from the previous day's closing price. Block deals can be a boon for large investors, offering liquidity and faster execution of large trades. But they also come with their fair share of risks, including potential impacts on stock prices and the need for secrecy to avoid market speculation. Now, let's shift gears and talk about bulk deals. A bulk deal involves the purchase or sale of a large number of shares, though not as substantial as in block deals. Bulk deals are generally considered to involve trades that exceed 0.5% of a company's total listed shares. Unlike block deals, there are no fixed conditions for bulk deals in terms of quantity or value. However, the price, like block deals, should not deviate more than 1% from the previous day's closing price. Block and bulk deals aren't just large-scale transactions. They provide a unique window into the sentiment of institutional investors and can signal potential movements in stock prices. Block and bulk deals provide a unique perspective into the world of large-scale trading, offering both opportunities and challenges for investors. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these deals is key to navigating the stock market. Dive into the world of block deals, where large quantities of shares change hands. A block deal is a high-volume transaction involving an enormous number of shares, typically at least 500,000 shares or a total value of roughly 5 crores. These transactions are executed at a specific price mutually agreed upon by the buyer and seller. To qualify as a block deal, a couple of conditions must be satisfied. Firstly, the transaction must involve a minimum of 5 lakh shares or a minimum value of 5 crores. Secondly, the price of the transaction should not deviate more than 1% from the previous day's closing price. These transactions are executed through a separate trading window and are promptly disclosed to the stock exchanges. The reason for this timely disclosure is to maintain transparency and fairness in the market. Now, why do traders opt for block deals? Well, block deals offer several benefits. For starters, they provide liquidity to large investors. With block deals, these investors can buy or sell a massive number of shares in a single transaction, facilitating faster execution of large trades. However, it's not all roses. Block deals come with their own set of challenges and risks. For one, these large-scale transactions can have a direct impact on stock prices. A sudden surge in the buying or selling of a particular stock can cause its price to fluctuate significantly. Moreover, secrecy is of utmost importance in block deals to prevent market speculation. If word gets out about a planned block deal, it can lead to unnecessary market speculation, thereby influencing the stock's price. So, while block deals offer significant advantages for large-scale traders, they also come with their own set of challenges and risks. These need to be carefully considered before diving headfirst into the world of block deals. In the next scene, we'll explore another type of large volume transaction, the bulk deal. Now shift gears and explore the less substantial yet equally intriguing world of bulk deals. Bulk deals, similar to their heftier counterparts, block deals involve the buying or selling of a large number of shares. However, the scale of these transactions is not as grand. A bulk deal is usually defined as a trade that exceeds 0.5% of a company's total listed shares. This percentage, while seemingly small, can represent a substantial number of shares, depending on the size of the company. While block deals come with stringent requirements, such as a minimum of 5 lakh shares or a total value of 5 crore rupees, bulk deals offer more flexibility. There are no fixed conditions for bulk deals in terms of quantity or value. This flexibility allows a broader range of investors to participate in these large-scale trades, making them a popular choice for institutional investors seeking to make significant moves without the constraints of block deals. However, like block deals, bulk deals do have one critical stipulation: the price. The price at which these transactions take place should not deviate more than 1% from the previous day's closing price. This rule ensures a level of fairness and stability in these large-scale transactions, preventing drastic price fluctuations that could impact the overall market. So what sets bulk deals apart? It's the relative freedom they offer. With no rigid requirements for the number of shares or the total value of the transaction, bulk deals can cater to a variety of investment strategies. Whether an investor is looking to make a significant move in a smaller company or a more modest investment in a larger corporation, bulk deals provide the flexibility to make that happen. Furthermore, the stringent price rule ensures that these deals do not disrupt the market, providing a sense of security for both the buyer and the seller. In this way, bulk deals strike a balance between the freedom of regular trades and the structure of block deals, creating a unique and dynamic trading environment. Bulk deals, with their relative flexibility, present a different trading landscape for institutional investors. Scene script. Are you wondering why these large-scale transactions should matter to you as an investor? Well, block and bulk deals aren't just random occurrences in the stock market. They are, in fact, a fascinating window into the strategic moves of institutional investors. Yes, you heard right. These deals are often executed by large investors, such as mutual funds and insurance companies, who have the financial muscle to buy or sell a substantial number of shares at once. Now, why should this interest you? Well, these big players have access to a wealth of resources and information that the average investor might not have. Their decisions to buy or sell a significant number of shares can be seen as a vote of confidence or a red flag, depending on the situation. When these entities decide to invest heavily in a company, it might indicate that they see positive prospects for the company's future. Conversely, if they're selling off their holdings, it could be a sign of potential trouble ahead. So, by keeping an eye on block and bulk deals, you can glean insights into the sentiment of these institutional investors. These insights can be a valuable tool to help you understand potential movements in stock prices. But that's not all. Savvy traders often use these deals as a part of their trading strategy. They analyze the price at which these transactions occurred, the volume of shares traded, and the overall market conditions. This analysis can help them make informed decisions about when to buy or sell shares. Remember, though, that while these deals can provide valuable insights, they should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. It's always important to do your own research and consider a range of factors before making any investment decisions. By understanding and analyzing block and bulk deals, investors can gain critical insights to inform their trading strategies. So, keep an eye on these deals, evaluate their implications, and use this knowledge to make more informed investment decisions. It's all part of becoming a savvy and strategic investor. Let's delve into a recent example of a block and bulk deal and understand the regulations governing these transactions. On December 29, 2023, Vodafone Idea Limited and Dalmia Bharat Limited were involved in a buzzworthy bulk and block deal, respectively. A staggering 244,313,308 shares of Vodafone Idea Limited were traded at an average price of Rs 14.79 each. In the same vein, Dalmia Bharat Limited saw a block deal where 240,000 shares were exchanged at an average price of Rs 22.90 each. These transactions were not just random trades. They could suggest institutional interest in these companies, potentially impacting their stock prices in the near future. But how are these massive transactions regulated? In India, the Securities and Exchange Board of India has established guidelines to ensure transparency and fairness in block and bulk deals. Securities and Exchange Board of India mandates that for a transaction to qualify as a block deal, it must involve a minimum of 5 lakh shares or a minimum value of Rs 5 crore, and the price must not deviate more than 1% from the previous day's closing price. For bulk deals, although there is no fixed definition, trades that exceed 0.5% of a company's total listed shares generally qualify. These regulations help maintain market integrity and prevent market manipulation. They ensure that these large-scale transactions don't unfairly influence stock prices or give certain investors an undue advantage. The rules also require these deals to be disclosed to the stock exchange, promoting transparency in the market. So, while block and bulk deals offer intriguing investment opportunities, they are not without their complexities. Investors need to understand the rules of the game and the potential impact of these trades on stock prices. While block and bulk deals offer intriguing investment opportunities, it's essential to understand the rules of the game. So, we've taken a journey through the world of block and bulk deals. But what's the takeaway? From the bedrock of block and bulk deals, we've unearthed their significance to investors and the regulatory landscape. These large transactions, often the handiwork of institutional investors, can offer valuable insights into market sentiment and potential price movements. Abiding by the regulatory guidelines ensures a fair and transparent market. Keep an eye on these large transactions. They could be the key to your next successful investment strategy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.